Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my honest experience with the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo, which is now 74% off on Amazon. I tested it out to see if it really works as well as the reviews say. And after using it daily with pets and different floor types, I've got some real insights to share. Let's dive into what people are saying, and I'll share my honest thoughts after each one. One customer said this vacuum works really well for pet hair. They run it every day for their shedding dog, and it keeps their floors clean. However, they noticed it doesn't have a rotating brush, so it's not great for carpets. It performs best on vinyl or hardwood, and while it does mop, it's basically like dragging a damp towel, so don't expect a deep clean. I completely agree that this vacuum is best for light maintenance, not deep cleaning. But if you have pets or hardwood floors, it keeps things tidy with minimal effort. Another buyer called it a little powerhouse. They said that after installing new laminate floors, it became noticeably cleaner within minutes. The suction was powerful enough to pick up fine dust and pet hair, and cleaning the dustbin was super easy. That's exactly what I noticed too. The suction really surprised me for this price. It's not bulky, it's quiet, and it picks up more than you'd expect from a budget vacuum. Someone else said this Kilgone works better than expected. Faster than older models, longer battery life, and smooth movement across the floor. They even called it their Robo-Maid. Honestly, that name fits. It's small but efficient. And once you set it up, you barely have to think about cleaning. The long battery life is a huge plus for big homes. Another customer said it's super easy to use with the app, simple to connect and control. They were really happy with how well it worked and mentioned it paired easily with Alexa for hands-free cleaning. I think this shows how user-friendly the Kilgone really is. For people who want automation without the hassle, this one nails it. And one more, this user said they have tile, carpet and rugs, and the Kilgone handled all of them well. Sometimes it gets caught, but it finds its way out. They loved how it auto-docks and picks up pet hair and litter with no issues. That's a great point for a vacuum this affordable. The multi-surface cleaning is impressive. It's not perfect on thick rugs, but it's reliable, consistent, and easy to maintain.